Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on September 14 of this year, when the price of this asset was at $7.74, and at this very point my main assumption was that we hit the golden pocket range, and this is the most probable range of trend reversal. And I found this level by pulling the Fib retracement tool from this top to this bottom, as you can see right here. And my main assumption was that we might have the retracement in order to collect more steam, and potentially we might have another leg to the upside that should break this previous swing high. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and I made a mistake because this asset went higher without any obstacles. And it retested, first of all, it retested this range of resistance that I marked previously, that was the previous swing high. And for now, as you can see, it is attempting to break this range again. And I have to say that on the one hand, it is quite a bullish sign, but on the other hand, it is not so obvious. And guys, I have to say that it is not a problem to make mistakes with the forecasts. The most crucial part of it that you shouldn't lose your money because of these predictions. And I told you that we have to wait, neither enter a short position nor do a long position as well. And I have to say that I caught this bottom to the tick with the direct call to have a trend reversal to hit higher targets. I caught this top to the tick, I caught this bottom again with a long position, and I have to say that my forecast is quite accurate. And my win rate is about 70 to 75%. And this mistake proved my words. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most crucial point, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that SOFI is quite bullish right now with the potential breakout above this previous swing high at $8.3. But I have to admit that I have a lot of doubts that this price action will continue. And I will explain you in my technical analysis why I think so. But so far, let's take a look on its fundamentals. We don't have any updates from the analysts, and the consensus analyst price target according to market beat is still the same. It is at about $9.14, which implies about 12.74% of upside potential. But the most recent update was made back in July of this year, on July 31st by Needham and Company LLC, and they set absolutely the same price target at $10 mark. At the same time, guys, take a look right here. Consensus analyst price target according to tip ranks is a bit lower at $8.27, which implies only 1.97% of upside potential. And as you can see right here, among 14 ratings, we have 5 analysts who suggest to buy this stock, 6 who suggest to hold, and 3 who suggest to sell. On top of that, guys, the most recent update, unfortunately, as you can see right here, I don't have an access behind the paywall, but the most recent update was made on September 11th. Previous two, or basically 5 updates were made in August, at the very beginning of August. And I have to say that this price target is more accurate than the price target from market beat. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will find several news that is directly related to SOFI. And I want to pay attention on this one. What happened with SOFI stock today? And here you can see the key bullet points. SOFI shares are trending across social media and have climbed more than 10% over the past 5 days. Many of SOFI's segments could benefit from lower interest rates, which may draw more borrowers to the company's offerings. And you know that just yesterday, Jerome Powell made his announcement and he cut the Fed interest rates by 0.5%. And for now, it is at the range of let me show you, it is at the range of 5%. So here you can see that Fed rate decision is 5%, and a lot of people anticipate the reduction by 0.25% from 5.5 to 5.25, and we have more than doubled of this number, and that is why SOFI during, let me show you, let's switch to hourly time frame. Right after the Fed meeting had an attempt to break this range of resistance, but it failed. And I have to say that it is the scariest part of its price action. But let's take a look on the list of institutional investors. We have 2 filings. The most recent one was made on September 16th, and 2 companies completely closed their position on SOFI. And if you click on these 2 icons, you can see that one company didn't have quite substantial position. They had just 121.7 thousand shares. But the second company had quite substantial amount of shares, 2.324 million shares, and their entire position was more than $18 million, and they sold it completely. They basically closed their position. That is why I think it might be quite a negative sign, but you have to keep in mind that these dates are not the deal execution dates. It is just a filing date, and the real deals happened back at least 45 days prior these dates, and you have to keep this in mind. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what is the most refined signs that I can see on the price chart? During the yesterday's Fed meeting, we have quite substantial volume with the attempt to break the range of resistance to the upside, and we had a rejection. And if you switch to 2 hours time frame, we had even more refined candle. It is a shooting star with the substantial volume, and these candles usually shows the potential trend reversal. For now, we have an attempt to hit again to break this range of resistance, but guys, we are on pre-market hours and we don't have enough volume to confirm this breakout. On top of that, if we switch to 3 hours time frame, the same ugly candle. 4 hours time frame, the same ugly candle. Despite despite its green color, it is still the shooting star, and it is still extremely bearish, especially with this substantial volume. Let's take a look on a daily time frame. Again, the same candle. Guys, I have to say that we might see the trend reversal from this point, despite the pre-market trading price of $8.37. That is why, guys, I stand on my position that we have to see a cool down. We have to see the retracement, because it didn't have a substantial retracement from its swing low that it established back in September the 10th from $6.75. And for now, more than 23% of gains within just 8 days, within just 9 days, should have a cool down. And that is why, guys, please wait for the resolution, wait for the retracement of this asset, and potentially somewhere lower we will be able, if the market sentiment, market bullish sentiment continues, we will be able to re-enter a long position to hit higher targets. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad.